What's up, everyone? So listen, I had a sweet tooth and was craving some Cinnabon, and I thought, why not make my own homemade Oreo cinnamon rolls? I think I'm also going to make a few without the Oreos, but anyway, I can't wait to taste that ooey gooey goodness. Let's get started. So I prepare my dough before the video. I will leave you guys the instructions for that below, okay? Now I'm going to start by sprinkling some flour onto my cutting board and then placing my bowl of dough on top. Then I'm going to press and stretch my dough out until it's about the same length and width of my cutting board. You'll probably want to use a rolling pin, but I didn't have one, so my hands it is. Once that's done, I'm going to take some room temperature butter and spread it out as evenly as I can onto my dough. Now, I'm going to take some brown sugar and sprinkle it on top of the butter. Try to distribute it as evenly as you can. I know I'm saying it over and over again, but it's important. Then, you're going to take some cinnamon. Sprinkle it all over, getting it as evenly as you can again. You can use as much or as little as you like. Now grab your Oreos. Make sure to crush them into smaller pieces. Then sprinkle them on top, and then it's time to roll. Oh, I'm not leaving. I'm at the dough. Corny joke alert. Never mind. You want to start rolling from the edge of the longer side. As you're rolling forward, try to tug it inward and back some so you can create a slightly tight roll. Keep going until you get to the other end. Now, I'm using this little tool here, moving in a back and forth motion as I slice, so I don't flatten my roll. You can also use a thin string, which will probably be much faster. This is how they'll look when they're done. Now take some room temperature butter and grease your baking pan. Then place all of your rolls inside until the pan is filled. Don't squish them together. Spread a little butter on top and then pop them in the oven. While they're baking, I'm going to make my icing that I will be spreading on top. Take some room temperature softened cream cheese and put it in a large mixing bowl. Then take some softened butter and add that in as well. Use a fork to mix them together. When you're done, grab the vanilla and add it to the cream cheese and butter mixture. Then add in your powdered sugar. Take the fork again and start mixing until most of the powder is blended with the wet ingredients. Then you're going to switch to a whisk. Continue mixing until you get a nice, smooth, and creamy consistency. All right, my cinnamon rolls are now done and they look so good already. Now go get that cream cheese icing and spread it all over the top as much as you want. And then you're done. They look so delish. I can't wait to dig in. See y'all.